Om Namah Shivaya. In the soft twilight hours of devotion, when the temple bells grow quiet and the incense still curls toward heaven, there is a sound that rises above all others. It is the gentle rustling of bilva leaves. Three-petaled offerings of the heart. Sacred gifts that transform the simplest worship into the most profound communion with Shiva. Tonight, we immerse ourselves in the Bilvashtakam. 8 verses that celebrate the most beloved offering to Lord Shiva. The humble bilva leaf. In Sanskrit, Ashtaka means 8. This is a collection of 8 stanzas, each one a meditation on divine grace through nature's simplest gifts. The great Saint Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya gave us this sacred hymn. He understood something profound about devotion, that the Lord of the universe delights not in gold or diamonds, but in the pure love behind a single leaf offered with faith. Listen to how the first verse opens our hearts to this truth.
Tridlam Trigunkaram Trinetram Chatriyudham Trijanma Papa Samharam Eka Bilva Shivarpanam.
3 leaflets represent the 3 gunas: Sattva, Rajas, and Tamas, the fundamental qualities that weave through all creation. 3 eyes gaze from every bilva leaf. Shiva's eyes of creation, preservation, and destruction. 3 weapons rest in its tender form. The trident that cuts through illusion. 1 bilva leaf offered to Shiva destroys the sins of 3 lifetimes. This is not mere poetry. This is a science of devotion, the mathematics of grace. Picture the bilva tree in its sacred habitat, growing wild near temple grounds. Its bark rough and protective, its branches reaching toward the sky like arms in prayer. But it is a leaf that holds the mystery. 3 leaflets joined at a single stem, perfect in its trinity, sacred in its simplicity. Each leaflet speaks a different truth. The first represents your past, all the actions and karma you carry. The second is your present, this moment where choice and consciousness meet. The third is your future, the destiny you create with each breath and decision. When you offer these 3 aspects to Shiva, something miraculous happens. The past dissolves in his forgiveness. The present fills with his presence. The future opens to his grace.
Shavam punyam yadi syat dana koti gunnam bhavet. Bilva patramidam garahya pujaye shivmasdam.
The second verse reveals an astounding truth. If offering a single bilva leaf were a virtuous act, then bathing Shiva in gold would be millions of times more virtuous. But the verse continues with beautiful irony. Take this bilva leaf instead. Worship Shiva constantly with this simple offering. The message is clear. Divine arithmetic works differently than worldly mathematics. In God's economy, love multiplies everything. Devotion transforms the smallest gesture into cosmic significance. There lived once a hunter named Gurudruha. His name meant enemy of the Guru. He was a man of violence and ignorance. He killed animals for pleasure. He cheated travelers on forest paths. He knew nothing of temples or prayers or sacred texts. But destiny has its own mysterious ways of working. On the night of Mahashivratri, this hunter climbed a bilva tree. He was stalking a deer that had taken shelter below. Beneath the tree stood an ancient Shivalinga, worn smooth by centuries of rain and worship. The hunter had no idea of its significance. As he waited through the night, fighting off sleep, the hunter began dropping bilva leaves. They fell naturally from the branches where he sat. One by one, they landed on the Shiva Linga below. The first leaf fell during the first watch of the night. In that moment, without knowing it, he performed the first quarter of Mahashivratri worship. The second leaf fell during the second watch. Then the third. Then the fourth. By dawn, He had unknowingly completed the most sacred observance of the year. 4 offerings of bilva leaves during the 4 watches of Mahashivratri night. When the sun rose, divine messengers appeared before him. The hunter's heart transformed instantly. All violence left him. All ignorance dissolved. He had been awakened by the simple power of bilva leaves offered to Shiva. This is a story that every devotee knows. The proof that Shiva sees only the heart, not the intention, not the knowledge, not the ritual perfection, only the pure contact between soul and sacred.
बिल्वा वृक्षस्य म्योल्वाई स्थित्वा कैलास पार्वेट बिल्वापात्रामिदं गर्ह्या पूजायत परमेश्वरम.
The third verse transports us to Mount Kailash. There, at the base of the Bilva tree, we stand in the shadow of eternity. The cosmic mountain where Shiva dwells in eternal meditation. Take this Bilva leaf growing at the very feet of the divine. Offer it to the Supreme Lord Himself. But you do not need to travel to Kailash. Every Bilva tree is rooted in that sacred soil. Every leaf carries the essence of that cosmic mountain. When you touch a bilva leaf, you touch something that grows in the presence of God. The botanical structure of the bilva leaf mirrors the deepest spiritual truths. Scientists call it trifoliate. 3 leaflets joined at one point. But sages have always seen deeper meanings. The 3 leaflets represent Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva themselves, the creator, preserver, and transformer. When you offer this leaf, you offer worship to the entire cosmic process. The 3 leaflets also represent the 3 states of consciousness: waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. Shiva is the 4th state. Turiya, pure awareness that witnesses all 3. The stem that connects the leaflets is this witnessing consciousness. Look closely at a fresh bilva leaf. Notice how each leaflet has a slightly different shape. This is not coincidence. This is divine design. The first represents the gross body. The second, the subtle body. The third, the causal body. Shiva dwells beyond all 3 as pure spirit.
लक्ष्मी चास्ताना उत्तुंगे चंद्रा वक्षास्थले सदा भारती जिह्वाग्रे चा बिल्वापत्रे वसंत्युता.
The 4th verse reveals who dwells within each bilva leaf. Lakshmi lives at the base. Prosperity and abundance flow from the root of devotion. Chandra, the moon, rests at the center, cooling grace that soothes the burning heart. And Saraswati, goddess of wisdom, sits at the tip. Knowledge that points always toward truth. 3 goddesses in one simple leaf. This is why offering bilva to Shiva brings wealth, peace, and wisdom all at once. You are not just offering vegetation. You are offering the complete spectrum of divine feminine energy. In traditional worship, devotees gather bilva leaves before dawn. The dew is still fresh on their surfaces. This is when the life force is strongest, when the connection between earth and heaven flows most freely. Never pluck bilva leaves carelessly. Approach the tree with reverence. Touch the bark gently first. Ask permission from the tree's indwelling spirit. Then select leaves that offer themselves willingly. Usually those hanging slightly apart from the main clusters. Choose leaves that are whole and fresh. No tears or brown spots. 3 leaflets perfectly joined. These represent the complete offering of body, mind, and soul. Damaged leaves symbolize incomplete surrender. Wash the leaves gently in clean water. Some traditions say to wash them in milk or Ganga water. But simple pure water blessed with your devotion is sufficient. Pat them dry with a clean cloth. Handle them like precious gems. The offering itself is beautifully simple. Hold the leaf by its stem. Never touch the 3 leaflets with your fingers. The oils from human skin can damage the delicate surface. Approach the Shiva Linga or Murti with complete focus. Place the Bilva leaf gently on Shiva's head or at his feet. As you do, repeat his sacred names. Om Namah Shivaya is perfect. Or simply call him with whatever name fills your heart with love. One leaf offered with pure devotion equals elaborate pujas performed without love. This is the promise of the Bilvashtakam. This is the grace that Shiva offers to every sincere heart.
बिल्वा पत्र प्रिय श्रीमान बिल्वा पत्र प्रियो हरा बिल्वा पत्र प्रिय तस्मै बिल्वा पत्रम नमोस्तुते.
The fifth verse becomes a mantra of love. Shiva delights in Bilva leaves. The auspicious one cherishes Bilva leaves. The destroyer of sorrow loves Bilva leaves. To him who loves Bilva leaves, I offer this Bilva leaf with reverence. See how the verse creates a circle of devotion. Shiva loves what we offer. We offer what Shiva loves. In this perfect exchange, divine love multiplies infinitely. During the monsoon months, when Bilva trees are lush with new growth, devotees perform special pujas. Entire branches heavy with leaves are offered to Shiva. The sound of rain on Bilva leaves is said to be music to his ears. In South Indian temples, Monday morning Bilva Puja is a cherished tradition. Hundreds of devotees bring fresh leaves from their gardens. The whole temple fills with the fresh, slightly bitter fragrance of Bilva. It is a perfume of devotion itself. The final verses of Bilvashtakam speak of the fruits of this simple practice. Regular offering of Bilva leaves brings fearlessness. The constant anxiety that grips human hearts begins to dissolve. Peace settles into daily life like morning dew. Material prosperity follows naturally. Not because we desire it, but because a peaceful heart attracts abundance. Obstacles melt away. Relationships heal. Work becomes worship. But the greatest fruit is liberation itself. The gradual recognition that you and Shiva are not separate. That the consciousness offering the leaf and the consciousness receiving it are one. This is the ultimate gift of Bilva Puja. In your own practice, remember that consistency matters more than quantity. One leaf offered daily with love surpasses hundreds offered mechanically. Shiva reads hearts, not scorecards. If you cannot find fresh Bilva leaves, do not worry. The pure intention to offer them is itself a complete puja. Visualize perfect leaves in your mind's eye. Offer them with the same reverence. Shiva will accept your mental offering as readily as physical ones. The Bilvashtakam teaches us that the divine dwells in the simplest things. That nature itself is a temple. That every tree is an altar. That every leaf is a prayer waiting to be offered. Through these 8 verses, we learn the deepest secret of spiritual life. That God is not distant or difficult to please. That the path to the infinite runs through the infinitely small. Through humble leaves and humble hearts. May Lord Shiva, the auspicious one, the destroyer of ignorance, bless you with inner peace, fearlessness, and liberation.